An accident is something every driver wants to avoid, and yet thousands of traffic accidents happen every day. Driving means dealing with unexpected situations, and something as simple as a wet road or a few moments of inattention can lead to huge risks. Now Volvo Trucks is releasing 2 new features designed to save lives. The first feature is Volvo Dynamic Steering with Stability Assist, which is designed to prevent skidding. Cornering, driving at high speeds, or driving a truck without a load in slippery conditions are all situations that can make a truck start to skid, with severe, devastating consequences in traffic.
Stand by, here we go.
When a truck skids, it is important to quickly and smoothly countersteer the vehicle in the right direction to keep control. But even the best drivers can be surprised by difficult road conditions, making it hard to regain full control of the vehicle. Volvo Dynamic Steering with Stability Assist reacts within milliseconds to countersteer during a skid, just like a professional driver would. This is made possible by hardware and software constantly communicating to detect if a truck is about to lose its grip on the road. The new feature also helps the electronic stability control system to act faster and to slow down the vehicle safely. A second's inattention and a truck can drift into another lane or oncoming traffic. This can result in rollover accidents or serious vehicle-to-vehicle collisions. Volvo Dynamic Steering with Lane Keeping Assist is a new feature designed to stop trucks from drifting. It provides a gentle intervention to steer the truck back into its lane or alerts the driver with a vibration through the steering wheel if the vehicle has drifted over a lane marking. The system is activated when the truck reaches a speed of 55 kilometers per hour, and a white icon appears on the instrument panel to indicate that the camera is tracking the road's lane markings. If the truck begins to drift out of its own lane, the data is registered and analyzed by the truck's software. A signal is then sent to Volvo Dynamic Steering, which supports the driver with a short corrective steering maneuver. At the same time, a green icon lights up. The intervention is gentle, allowing the driver to easily override it if necessary. Through alerting the driver during risky situations, Volvo Dynamic Steering with Lane Keeping Assist helps create a safer environment for all road users. Through the all-new Volvo Dynamic Steering with Personal Settings, drivers can fully customize the responsiveness of the steering on a Volvo truck. The driver can choose between 4 pre-programmed steering settings through the truck's infotainment system or fully personalize the settings. A driver's steering setting is stored via the driver's ID card. In the menu, Volvo Dynamic Steering standard setting is set as default, while the option of light steering is ideally suited for construction applications. Responsive steering is designed for curving roads, and with the stable steering option, it is possible to get a firm feeling for drivers who prefer a heavier setting. By adjusting the straight, cornering, damping, and return settings in the custom menu, the driver can perfectly calibrate the steering response. For example, by making the steering stiffer in curves and turns, controlling how fluid the steering feels overall, and adjusting the speed of the wheel return when maneuvering at low speed. An additional custom option makes it easier to drive the truck straight by calibrating the straight-ahead angle from 0. This is extremely useful when driving for long stretches in high winds or on slanting roads. By giving drivers the possibility to fully personalize their settings, Volvo Trucks is putting drivers in charge.